Hi everyone, let's create a dot mandala on this piece of cardboard. Let's get started right away. To get started, I'm going to base paint this piece of cardboard in black. I've base painted the cardboard in black. I'm going to let this dry for half an hour. Now the base paint is dry, but since this is a cardboard piece, the edges are not so smooth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick these ribbons on to the edges so that it looks much better. So before sticking the ribbons, I'm going to figure out the center for this piece of cardboard and then stick the ribbons. This piece of cardboard is not exactly square in shape, a little rectangular. The center is figured out. Now I can comfortably stick these ribbons in the edges. I'm going to apply some Fevicol. Now I'll stick the portion of this ribbon in the front. I'll place some Fevicol and place the ribbon on the second side now. I'll worry about sticking this ribbon in the back side later because the front side has to dry first. Now I'll do it for the third side. Now I'll stick the ribbon the fourth side and the final side as well. Now once this front portion is dry, then we can stick the remaining portion of the ribbon in the back side. Now I'll draw circles and create grids. Since this is a cardboard piece, when I was drawing circles, it became a hole in the center. So what I'm going to do is, I have a mirror piece. I'm going to stick this in the center so that that hole is covered. Let me place Fevicol first. Very little amount of Fevicol will be enough. Now I'll place the mirror. Gently give a brush, not to press hard. See, now the hole is covered and becomes beautiful as well. Around this mirror, I'm going to keep golden dots. Now I'll keep one side swipe in gold. Now I have to keep straight swipe in this light green. So I'll keep a dot and then manually drag it to a swipe later. For those who don't have this kind of a decorative ribbon, what you can do is you can put a masking tape around the edges of the board and then base paint it on the tape itself with black. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep a golden swipe in between any two green swipe here. I'll keep golden dots on the lines. I'll keep one more golden dot. Now I'll keep two green dots here. Now I'll walk the dots first layer. Now I'll walk the dot second layer using this tool. Now I'll walk the dots third layer using gold. I'll keep straight swipe in gold. Now I'll keep two side swipes in light green. I'll place Fevicol towards the edge of this circle line and then place some stones. Now I'll place these stones. To decorate it even more, I have placed 4 circular mirrors in 4 corners. So let me stick them now. Just 1 dot of Fevicol, press gently and then allow it to dry. So I'll repeat the process for all the 4. I'm placing 8 Fevicol dots around each mirror. I'm going to place some more mirrors. I'm going to place eye-shaped mirrors. Once the paint is dry, the Fevicol mirrors are dry and the decorative ribbons are dry too, you can safely turn it over and then just fold this ribbon into the back and then stick the ribbon at the back too. I'm sure all of you love this dot mandala on this cardboard. Thank you for watching this video.